Yes, guys, I relate to dried up gouache and molds. So now I will tell you the ultimate secret for keeping it fresh. I kept mine in a ziplock bag. It's airtight and sealed, so it's a bit big because I have the 56 pieces Himi Miya gouache, and supposedly it keeps it from accumulating any mold and keeps it fresh and the wet paint. So I have not opened this for 1 month, guys. And ta-da! I was so happy that it worked. Actually, the whole journey of searching for a solution was prompted because I lost one paint. If you see there lower right, it got mold up and crusted up dry, and it's a pain to restore. So this mildew spray from Himi Miya also keeps it from accumulating any mold and from drying up. So this is legit, guys. Try it so that you'll avoid the pain of reactivating your paints and from molds.